Unit 18 Review. Unit 18 Lesson 1 1. Listen and read. Karim and Samira's diary. We finished our project last week. Many children sent us emails about our project. Where did you go last week? We went to Madaba last week. We saw the mosaic map and Karim found an old coin. Where did you plant the tree, Karim? We planted the tree in the school garden. We must water the tree tomorrow. It is hot now. What did you enjoy about the project? We learned a lot about our beautiful country. We enjoyed the project a lot. 1. Read, look and write answers. 1. Where did you go last week? We went to Madaba. 2. What did you see? We saw the mosaic map. 3. Where did you plant the trees? We planted the trees in the school garden. Unit 18 Lesson 2 2. Ask and answer. What did you do last weekend? I played football. I visited the museum. What did you do yesterday? I visited my grandparents. I helped Grandpa. What did you do last month? I bought a plant. I planted it in the garden. What did you do last year? I went to Aqaba. I swam in the sea. 2. Read and complete. In the summer holiday, I must take my sun hat to the beach. I go to school. I help my mother with the cooking. I write my project. I clean my room. I do my homework. 2. Don't have to. 3. Must. 4. Don't have to. 5. Must. 6. Don't have to. Unit 18 Lesson 3 3. Look and say. 1. Yesterday Salim went to the mosaic. He didn't watch television. 2. Yesterday Salim visited his grandparents. He didn't play a computer game. 3. Yesterday Salim tidied his room. He didn't play table tennis. 4. Look and say. I must buy milk. I don't have to buy bananas. 1. I must buy apples. I don't have to buy avocado. 2. I must buy rice. I don't have to buy eggs. 3. Listen, look and write. 1. We drove into the desert. 2. We stayed in a tent. 3. We watched birds. 4. We looked at the stars. 4. Order and write. 1. When did the people of Petra arrive? They didn't arrive last year. They arrived in the past. 2. Where did the people of Petra live? They didn't live in houses. They lived in tents. Unit 18 Lesson 4 5. Read and match. 1. We went to Wadi Rum. It is beautiful. We saw the desert, we stayed in tents, we saw the stars at night. 2. I went to Petra last summer with my family. I learned about how people lived in the past. People carved many buildings in the pink rocks. 3. We visited Wadi Mujib. We saw many animals and birds. They are safe there. We saw the waterfall. We had a lovely walk. 1. B. 2. A. 3. C. 6. Listen, read and match. Jackals, deer and wolves live here. There are beautiful flowers in spring. Birds and squirrels are in the trees, and the leaves and the grass are green. Picture B. 5. Read and say. Knee, photo, lamb, right, spring, square, straight, laugh. 6. Write about your favorite project. The project about my town was my favorite project. My town was small in the past. Now it is a big town. It was called Philadelphia. There was a Roman theater. There were small buildings in my street. In the past, there were groceries, beaches, and small shops. People worked very hard in the past. Unit 18, Lesson 5, 7. Project My Town in the Past. 1. Read and answer. 1. Write a diary about what you did last week. 2. What did you do on Friday? What did you do on Saturday? 3. How did you help your town? Give ideas. 2. Write your diary. My diary. Last Friday, I visited my grandparents. In the morning, I climbed the trees in the garden, and I helped Grandma prepare breakfast. In the afternoon, we went sailing in the sea. On Saturday, I did my homework. In the afternoon, I helped my father plant some trees. In the evening, I watched television. 3. Ask and answer. What did you do on Saturday? I did my homework. What did you do on Sunday? I went to the library. What did you do on Monday? I planted a tree.